I couldn't resist but to paste this job here. This job is at deeplearning.ai, which is a premier education and training company regarding AI in the world. It is an education technology company run by Andrew Ng, who is world's premier trainer in artificial intelligence. DeepLearning.ai is empowering the global workforce to build an AI-powered future through world-class education, hands-on training, and a collaborative community. I think this is one of the most exciting companies to work for these days. This job is for DevOps engineer. Mainly, I think it is geared toward AWS, but you can have any other cloud experience. The location is Taipei, which is the capital of Taiwan. So that is one thing. And in order to be successful in this role, you have to have a bachelor degree and minimum 3 years experience in DevOps. Plus, you should have understanding of configuration management tools like Ansible. You should also know what is Kubernetes and how Docker works. Plus, DevOps concepts like CI/CD, GitHub Actions, code pipeline, etc. If you know any scripting language like Python and Bash, you are good, and it should be a good, strong scripting skill. You should also have some good, excellent problem solving and analytical skills. Plus, you should have exposure to FinOps practices to save cost, of course. If you have worked with Jupyter Notebook, that would be awesome for this role. It's a very well-funded, high-growth company, and as you know that this is an AI era. So if you feel like it, and if you are in Taipei or Taiwan or are moving there or have working rights there, I think this is the best opportunity for any DevOps engineer. So, if you feel like it, go to deeplearning.ai's career website or go to jobs.liver.co and apply from there. Thank you very much.